morning, welcome to today's video. I have a GoPro on my head. Today is stage 1 of HotChillee's roller coaster. 58k?
58k, plenty of climbing, bit of forest action, lots of photos. Good time.
Let's do it. What are you doing up there, mate?
Take a picture of you.
Mate, it's supposed to be a race.
Oh shit, where's my bike?
I might just sit on the top here and then I get the bike and me
Yeah.
in the background.
I think we've been lost, mate.
I think you're right.
We thought we were following the signs, but we stopped here to take a quick time lapse of this lovely mountain. We haven't seen anyone for quite a while. Well, saw a guy with a dog.
Some cows.
So we're back en route now. We did go completely the wrong way. So we've added an extra 10k to our route. Fun times. Right, what are you doing here? Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're just chilling out, man. We're just doing an extra 3 laps of the course. I'll see you at the Bri, yeah?
Definitely.
Catch you in a minute. Speed plays. Fuck.
Okay, so break a bit.
Yeah, didn't catch any of it, mate. It's fine.
Whatever. That's alright.
Brilliant.
That's a nice bike, mate. It suits you.
Yeah, I thought the colour.
Yeah.
I thought the problem was the other bike, it wasn't the right colour.
Yeah.
So I deliberately ran over a twig, ripped my mech off just so I could get a new pink bike.
It's kind of him to lend it to you.
Yeah, it was, yeah. He only rides pink bikes.
Yeah, pink bikes is my thing.
I've come to help fix a puncture.
What do you reckon? 48 psi or 50?
Should have gone tubeless.
Should have gone tubeless.
Should have gone tubeless, mate. I know. So everyone moans at me for not using tubeless all the time.
Go tubeless, mate. Doesn't cause you any hassle.
Oh.
Can we keep that? That sealant's expensive, that is.
Reuse it, mate. Just keep reusing it.
Turn around and put it in your pocket.
This is what I need.
What a sidewall.
Is that Coca-Cola in those cups?
And
So this is the top of the climb.
actually, just leave him one.
Quite sweaty. I was expecting South Africa to be nice and dry. So most of this route is desert. This bit is not. This is some nuts scenery. On the home straight now, but I appear to be riding through a field. Ooh. Mate, I lost you and you didn't do the full course. You're disqualified.
Gutted, but we did go to the dam, and I think we did like an extra 6.
Oh, you did at least an extra 20k.
So everyone here is doing 800. Apart from us, we're doing 804 because we're hardcore. Simples.
Is this supposed to be a cycling event?
In like 20 minutes since the last ride.
It's just like walking with a picnic.
Yeah,
I think the problem is that we keep stopping to take photos.
I
think it is.
I fucked one of my wheels. My wheel's bent on the back,
no.
so I had to
Yeah, nice
go
excuse,
from
isn't it?
tubeless to tubed. Look at my bag.
Oh no!
It's not very well.
Do you have a sewing kit? You got a sewing machine right somewhere.
If you put some speed tape on the inside, you know, the
Jesus!
That's right.
too pink.
It's so pink. It's more mountain biking and gravel, isn't it? Yeah.
Like,
That's not mountain biking. I'll
Yeah,
take
so-
you mountain biking, Francis. I'll take you mountain biking when we get home.
No thanks.
I mean, there was a few little mountain biking sections, but it's
Yeah,
not
a few
technical
bits.
mountain biking. It's just difficult gravel. But
Yeah.
tomorrow is.
There must be a bit of overlap. There's a bit of overlap. Come on.
There's definitely some overlap. Yeah, and there was a few little tricky bits and bouncy bits for sure. How'd you go down? Did you see the horses as you came down the
I
hill?
saw the horses, yeah.
How
yeah.
cool was that?
Yeah. Found some cows. They ran away.
I'll give you a vegan sausage, honey.
That was hard. More mountain biking and gravel.
Choose me!
I think
that's a photo.
You wouldn't get me.
You're doing a vlog, Captain?
I am probably one of the world's best vloggers. It's not a blog, it's a vlog.
He's hiding his legs from the camera. You gotta shave them, mate. It's worth 20 watts.
Gravel legs.
Yeah.
Gravel legs.
Because the branches are so violent here, if you run past a bush, it'll just tear the flesh. It'll grab the hairs and then just tear the flesh off. You have to have
Dharma. We get to take gravel home with us because of the hair.
Okay, come on.
My tyre. Got a rip in my saddlebag. I've lost my tripod because of the rip in my saddlebag. What else happened? Yeah, it was good. I did get some nice
Mate, new bike. How was your day, Charlotte?
I haven't broken anything yet.
It's a fairly short stage today. I might take this opportunity to show you my new gravel setup, because I know you guys will ask. So some of you might remember when I got this bike. It's an 8-bar Mitte 2-in-1 road and gravel bike. I rode this in the road setup for Tour de France, and it was way quick enough to do all the racing and that sort of thing. For this HotChillee event, it needed to be ready for gravel, and I needed more clearance for the tyres. Basically what this frame does, which is pretty clever, is you have a dropout that slides backwards, so you can then fit these tyres, which are Schwab G1s. They're 1.5, so they're pretty fat, but they also don't have too many knobblies, so you can still roll on the road, and when the gravel's compact as well. I'm using a fabric saddle for a change. This is actually quite comfortable considering it doesn't have a cutout. Front fork I've switched out just for clearance. Before this had a carbon road fork on. Now it's got one specific for gravel. It means I can fit the same Schwalbe on the front as well. Right, now it's time for the best bit of the day. Dinner. Who's got the nicest bike here? You're not allowed to say yourself.
I quite like the open.
Yeah, I think the open wins.
The open wins.
The curve.
Or this one actually. That's a really nice one.
Ibis. What's this thing?
Yeah, I think either a mud shredder.
Or if you're on the wrong caliper.
So he actually explained it to me this morning. So Ibis initially, the initial bikes had the cable, obviously it was a cable router.
Ah.
And then it became a little bit of a trademark thing. So even on the bikes that have got disc brakes,
Because it's a hand. Yeah.
they still put their little mark on it.
That's cool.
It's a bit weird, isn't it?
You wouldn't see it in road, would you? It's just the gravel thing.
We're doing a competition who's got the nicest bike here.
And you have to have paid.
I've already
for
won.
it, you know,
Why are you even asking?
HVNM, if you're a and have more money than sense, it'll you up. Did you get it? Do we need to do another take?
So Yanni's brought with him some drugs. This is doping.
Not from me. I just want to
Ketone.
make sure we get this right. It was David Wright, W-R-I-G-H-T.
What's his postal code?
So I have a friend who took this, added 30 watts to a half-an-hour power test.
And he's dead now.
And now he's dead.
Oh, it's nice, huh?
Oh, that's rough. Who drank that much?
I don't know, somebody else. I'm never drinking it again.
We're all going to be flying tomorrow.
Christoph, you didn't turn any of the signs as you went through? You didn't turn any? No? I could just, like a rousing round of applause for our two dynamic duos, to Dan and Francis for fucking up. There you go, Francis.
Thank you,
well
mate.
done.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Francis.
Hey, Captain.
Yes, Francis.
You have a theme song now.
I have it. What's my theme song?
No, you have to find out in the video.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not released yet.
So we had a very technical day of riding today, but some of the scenery was amazing through the national park, and the orographic clouds spilling over the mountain down through the escarpment was sensational. But some really technical uphills and downhill sections, some wild horses, some Bunterbook, but more importantly, Francis, you were awarded this evening this arrow because you and your mate took the wrong turn.
Yeah, that didn't
Yeah,
happen.
so that's it. But you won't tomorrow, and that's all from me.